Hello guys, this video is gonna be a quick lesson. We will learn two English idioms in this video. So let's get started. There are many idioms in English language. So our first English idiom is bite the bullet. Bite the bullet is not what you see in this pic. Bite the bullet doesn't mean to bite down on a hard bullet. This simply means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation that you have been putting off or avoiding, but this is unavoidable. So this simply means to have courage and force yourself through a difficult situation. So for example, the doctor says you're gonna have to change your lifestyle unless you wanna become very sick. It's time to bite the bullet. Take a look at what you're doing and change it before it's too late. So to bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation. So if you don't change your lifestyle, you will become very sick. So if you want to change your lifestyle, you will have to bite the bullet. Means you will have to face this difficult situation that you have been putting off or avoiding, but this is unavoidable. You can't avoid, you will have to face it. You will have to bite the bullet. The next idiom is have a bone to pick with someone. Have a bone to pick with someone. This idiom means to have a disagreement, to discuss with someone, to have something to argue about with someone. This simply means to talk to someone. This is especially something you are annoyed about. This is a topic that you want to discuss with someone, especially that's very bad and that hurt feelings. And he said, I have a bone to pick with you. He sounded angry when he said, I have a bone to pick with you. The next example is, I have got a bone to pick with you after what you did to me yesterday. I have got a bone to pick with you after what you did to me yesterday. So these were two idioms. To bite the bullet simply means to face an unpleasant or difficult situation that's not that's unavoidable and you are avoiding it. You have been putting it off, but you have to face it because it's unavoidable. And have a bond to pick with someone, to discuss something with someone, to have something to argue about with someone, especially something a disagreement, something that hurts feeling, that's very bad. So these were the two idioms in today's video. I'll see you in my next video with another idiom lesson. If you are new here and you enjoyed the lesson, so you please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notification when I release a new video here. Your subscribing my channel would encourage me, so subscribe the channel. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.